This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the double tap gesture on this device. So at the start, take your Apple Watch and wake it up. Now launch settings. Here scroll down and look for the gestures category. Now enter it here. And here's the double tap, which you can switch off or on. Once enabled, you can also enable or disable the cover to mute option, which, well, is going to work in the way that you can mute Apple Watch by resting your palm on the display to cover it for at least 3 seconds. So I guess that should go along the following lines. So cover your display with your palm, and yep, it goes to sleep. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.